Using the park assist system inside of the Lincoln Nautilus is a very straightforward process. In this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. So I'm going to start off hitting the little P button down the center stack. When you do, you can either navigate to parking. All this one's going to do is when you're at different destinations, it's going to show you which parking is available. But what we're looking for is park assist. So it can help out with either parallel parking, perpendicular parking, or parallel park out. And you can either look on either the left or the right side. So we're going to start off by doing some parallel parking and going to look on the right-hand side there. Oh, come on, fella. There we go. So it's saying that a space was found. I just need to drive forward a little bit. So in a second there, it should say, perfect, stop. And you're going to release the steering wheel, so hand off the wheel. You're going to shift into reverse. And then you're controlling the gas and brake, but the vehicle is controlling the steering wheel. So you can go as fast or as slow as you want to. And what it's going to do is try to find a spot that you can actually fit inside of. So if one's a little bit too tight, it's not going to do this, but you can see a little countdown timer going, and it is doing everything for me here. Perfect. Oh, of course, the car behind me is taking off now. But so as you can see there, backing up, and then eventually, perfect. It wants us in drive now. So you're just going to hit drive forward slowly. Perfect. Park, and you're good to go. So it's that simple using the park assist system for parallel parking. Parallel park out is also straightforward. So same idea, you hit that little P button, park assistance, and you're going to go, knows that we're parallel parked, so now it can go either left or right. Obviously you can't go to the right, so we want to go to the left. So you're going to use the turn stick to go either left or right side. I want it to go to the right, or sorry, to the left side there. So we're going to go there, release the steering wheel, pop yourself into reverse, and same thing, going to drive back slowly. And as you do, it's going to start cranking the steering wheel for you. Perfect. I'm going to drive, and then what that does, it essentially is going to back you up as much as you need to in order to just take the wheel where it is and start driving away. So it's a very straightforward system from that perspective. So the last one is going to be perpendicular park. So perpendicular park, why don't we go for a little drive up here? So we're going to look for a spot, and what we're going to do, same idea, park assist, and I'm going to go perpendicular parking, and I want to look on the right-hand side there. So I'm going to drive. Space found, perfect. So same idea, going to release the wheel, go into reverse, and same idea. Car's taking everything over, just working the gas and the brake there. You can see it's backing me up. And this one's a little bit tricky because there are cars all over the place, so quite a few obstacles, but as you can see there, it's backing me up beautifully. Perfect. So there are a few spots that are technically available. It's just getting me into the best spot that it thinks I can fit in. Same idea, I'm driving forward slowly. There we go. Driving into reverse. Nice 7-point turn here. But it's a little bit of an odd setup in this parking lot, but I mean, as you can see there, boom. That's simple to do. So there were two little spots that we could have gone. I wish it would have gone next to that Hellcat, but that's how it's done. So just kind of in a nutshell, park assist button, parking, you can go parallel park, perpendicular park, parallel park out. Then you can use the left stick in either to look on the left or the right-hand side, either way, which is useful. So very straightforward using park assist inside of the Lincoln Nautilus. But if you want a fuller walkthrough on the Sync 4 screen, steering buttons, the cluster, etc., you'll find those down in the description of this video.